Hey guys, it's Eka442 Studios here, and today I'm doing an update video on the an update video for 000webhost.com on the WordPress installation. I was requested to redo the video for a couple of reasons, and I needed to redo it anyway because the new WordPress 3.5, the zip size is 5.2 megabytes, and the upload limit for this is 5 megabytes, and the upload and any other thing is maximum of that. So how do you upload it? First, I wouldn't recommend using the zip file here. Ignore that. Download the tar.gz, which is 4.8. This is where it gets a bit, I'm not sure if it worked, because here it says it's too big. It's not too big, it's under the limit, but it may due to the fact my internet connection is too slow. But for this example, we're going to use a application and a Windows-based application that you have to install. It's third-party called FileZilla, and you've given me a second. I will just log into this, something I've forgotten to do. So obviously you want your, for this I've used the IP address, but you can use the domain name, the username, which I'll get in a second, password, and the port number, which is 28. I've already done a video on how to upload files to FileZilla. I will link that in the description, or it will be in the playlist for this. So I just jump around, I'll just get the username quickly. And you want to put obviously the username in there, which will be a something or other. You want to go quick connect, and this will load it up here. Next thing you want to do, and the best thing to do this, is this is where things get a bit iffy. You have a choice here. For this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go file zip, extract to tar, and then I'm going to open this file up, and then we're going to extract this as well. For this I'm using 7-zip. You can't unfortunately do it with the Windows things. You'll have to install something like 7-zip, WinRAR, or other applications like that. So we're just going to extract to there, which will extract this out. It is a total size of 11 megabytes uncompressed. We're just going to drag that out of there, and Windows will it's not opening the program. Oh, yes it is. It's not opening. Just drag that out of that folder so it's on your desktop. As you can see here, this is the file we want, and inside this we have our WordPress installation. And you also want to go in there and then drag out the WordPress folder, because we don't need that. This is what will be the name of the folder when you upload it. So we want to go over here, and we want to go to our desktop like I've already selected, and it's not on the list. Oh dear. So if I go refresh, there should now be a WordPress folder, and we want to go up here. You want to right click on the folder itself, go upload, and it will start uploading the WordPress folder. It does sometimes bug out up here, and I don't quite know why it is doing that. The whole thing's just bug out. So that will bug out sometimes. I think it's a bug with this version of the software. I don't know if it's fixed or not, because I haven't updated this in a while. As you can see down here, it is transferring the files. There are a large number of files. As you can see here, we've got 900 files to go, which will take a little while because it's 11 megabyte. Net connection will be quite slow. So I'll restart the video when that finishes, and get on with the installation process. Alright, so once your files are successfully uploaded, you'll see down here successful transfers 2050. The important thing you remember, which I did wrong once about a month back when I was installing WordPress for someone, is when I did this, I forgot to select the public underscore HTML folder. You must put it in there, otherwise you won't it won't work. So once you have that installed, you'll have a WordPress folder down here, and this is where you can leave that. You can close the connection, or just leave it as it is, and you want to go onto here, and you'll see on this list here, you'll see the list, because I haven't deleted. If you haven't deleted this page, you'll see this list, and go to WordPress, or you can just go /WordPress, and here we have. It doesn't seem to be a wp config pile.php. So it needs to create this. This is a basic installation. They're famous is 5-minute installation. The next thing you need to do is create a database. You want to go down to MySQL here under software services. Put in your database name, password, and database name, username, and password. So we're just going to put this in here, and there. So that's just basic name. Obviously, you can use you're only allowed 2 databases, because you can run multiple, if you ever needed to, multiple WordPress installations in one database. So we So let's go. Here we are. We're going to put. You need to copy the whole of it, not just the end name. So you need to put like that, and then we're going to do it again. Just let me check which way around it is. And the next thing you need is your password. I don't like the way it shows it there though, but that's just my opinion. The table prefix, leave it alone unless you're installing multiple WordPress installations in one database. And then you need to get the host. Of course, it isn't localhost, so you'll have to get the one off here, which in this case is my number 6. So we're going to go submit. And so do alright, we've made connection. So it says connection through database, connect the stuff it needs. Run install. That'll do some other things. Site title, we're just going to go WP test. Test for test YouTube. That's a nice name. Username admin, and then the password. In this case, it does hide the password for this, which is quite nice. Let's set the password there, medium. Your email address, we're just going to use that one for. So we've got there. So you want your password in, your things you need there, and the next thing you want to go install WordPress. Allow search engines to index your site is something that I'd recommend doing. Otherwise, things like Googlebot, they'll come across that thing, say that, and then after that. Put in admin or whatever it was set to, and then obviously the password you chose for the installation. After this, and it will just load up your default WordPress installation. There are some updates, so it would seem from there that that's always an update for that plugin, which you don't actually have to use. So this is how to install WordPress 3.5. This is one you can't upload with the default uploader. So we're just going to preview it does work. We'll go to our WordPress installation, and you have the default WordPress theme, which seems to is actually quite a nice one now. So guys, that's how to install WordPress 3.5. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you around.